been trying to fight whatever's pulling us under. It's got a hold and really making me wonder what it takes to get through. I gotta stick with you, my baby. Baby, tell me, maybe I'm foolishly overreacting, but being without you, I can't imagine. It's just too close to the heart, and I won't stand it if we're broken apart. Oh no. It's so hard for you to move ahead. Just know that I'm by your side. There ain't no if, buts, or maybes. I'm gonna stay down and ride for you, baby.
Cutting it close with the backwards and forwards. It's rocking the boat. We gotta get control of it. Let's take it back to 3 years ago, when you said that we could make it through whatever, ever. And to me it sounded like it meant forever, ever. Leaving was not an option, baby, never, never.